Do you want to learn email marketing? Well, here's 7 best email marketing courses online, free plus paid. First course, Communicate for Business, Write, Email, and Close the Loop by Udemy. This course will teach you how to express yourself in traditional and digital formats. You will also learn how to effectively communicate to effect long-term change in your business, including how to properly engage the individuals responding to the project. Topics covered in this course are: select words based on their clarity and potential to captivate your intended audience. To determine grammatical alternatives, concentrate on your message. Customize your emails based on their purpose and receiver. Make a strategy to support your change project. Are you feeling insecure about your writing abilities? This is the course for you. It contains a wealth of useful information and common sense that will put you at ease. Are you confident in your verbal abilities but need to familiarize yourself with the standards of business writing? Learn how to apply what you already know in the professional world. Leaders in charge of change management seek communication tactics to ensure that the change sticks. Second course, the Complete MailChimp Email Marketing Course by Udemy. In this course, you will get to learn email marketing using MailChimp from beginner to intermediate levels. You can create squeeze pages and opt-in forms to grow your email lists and potential consumers. In the future, you can develop hyper-segmented email capture lists for more effective, targeted email marketing. You can create and design sophisticated email campaigns that increase conversion rates. Topics to be covered in this course are: learn how to use MailChimp to generate A/B split test campaigns. MailChimp allows you to create highly optimized and high-quality email marketing campaigns. With ease, understand and utilize the MailChimp platform. This course will teach you original, tried and true information. This course will also cover how to optimize your email content, expand your email lists, and assess essential metrics based on the data provided by MailChimp. You must take this course to learn how to generate leads, create high-quality email marketing content, expand email lists, grasp MailChimp analytics, and enhance your income with email marketing. My ideal learner is an English speaker who has learned through PowerPoint and YouTube and is motivated to build an email list and start email marketing with better outcomes. Third course, Email Marketing, Build and Launch Effective Camps by Udemy. The primary goal is to assist you in developing effective campaigns that will increase revenue for your company. This course's secondary goal is to assist you in quickly and efficiently designing and launching an email campaign so you can start immediately. Topics covered in this course are: starting your first email marketing campaign, how to begin with email marketing, the fundamentals of an email marketing platform. Whether you work for a company, are a blogger, or own a small business, your goal is the same. You want to improve the amount of money your company makes, and email marketing can help you achieve that. This course will teach how to do so and help you become a better email marketer. This course is designed for online marketers, bloggers, and small company owners who want to expand their business through email marketing. Fourth course, Think Outside the Inbox, Email Marketing by Coursera. The fourth course in the Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce certificate is Think Outside the Inbox, Email Marketing. This course will teach you how to run a profitable email marketing campaign. Email marketing is one of the most established and tested digital marketing channels and is a critical component of any digital marketing strategy. Topics covered in this course are: using best practices, create compelling preview text and subject lines. Create email marketing workflows and automation. Create and manage email lists. In this course, you'll learn about email marketing, including building an email marketing strategy, implementing email campaigns, and measuring campaign performance. This course is for beginners. No prior experience or knowledge is required for this course. Fifth course, Email Marketing Certification Course by HubSpot. The free email marketing certification course from HubSpot teaches beginning to intermediate level marketers how to grow with email marketing. Topics covered in this course are: understanding the concept of email marketing from start to finish, creating customer relationships through lead nurturing, developing a plan for contact management and segmentation. Once you've completed the course and passed the exam, you can obtain your free certificate or embed the badge on your website, LinkedIn, or Upwork profile. This course is designed for beginners. 6th course, 10 email marketing strategies that make me six figures by Udemy. So, what are the top 10 email marketing tactics? Throughout this course, you will see live video demonstrations of each of them. This course primarily utilizes MailChimp, but similar tactics may also be used for any other email marketing platform. Topics covered in this course are: uncover your email marketing strategy, the 5 email success principles, increase the size of your mailing list quickly, send out welcoming emails, send marketing emails. Suppose you're an entrepreneur, influencer, professional, or any other type of organization looking to kill it with email marketing on MailChimp or on any other platform. In that case, this email marketing course is for you. This course is for anyone who wants to dominate email marketing by increasing their mailing list and sales. The email marketing tactics mentioned are appropriate for people of all experience levels. 7th course, Wishpond Email Marketing Masterclass by Wishpond. A digital marketing professional will teach Wishpond's email marketing masterclass for 30 minutes. You'll master the fundamentals of email marketing and free worksheets and lay a solid foundation throughout the course. Topics covered in this course are: how to design email marketing campaigns and funnels, common email marketing blunders, A/B testing your advertising. You can progress to more advanced classes or specialize in designing landing pages and marketing automation. Wishpond's free masterclass is a great place to start for email marketing newbies. Links of all courses are given in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.